Hey guys, Mr. Decker here. This is lesson 23, texts and prompts. This one's new for 23-24. I've never done this one, so bear with me. This could be fun. All right. We've got a prediction to make here. This program lets you answer a question by typing with your keyboard. Looks like you would type it right there. Then the print block shows the text on the screen. Make a prediction. What will happen after answering the question? All right, let's see what this program is doing. So set background to, you see that. Make a new sprite at 150, 150. That's the sprite right here. And then set the sprite size to 200 and prompt the user, what is your name? For variable name. When name answered, print hello name on the screen. So let's see. The program will print hello name. The program will greet with the name you type in. Sprite will change sizes, or the computer will ask another question. I think B is going to be the correct answer for this one. The program's going to greet us with the name that we type in. So let's run it. Hello, Mr. Decker. It works. All right, so B would be the correct answer there. Let's continue. Bubble 2, we've got a video to watch. Make sure you're watching that at home or at school or wherever you are. Learning is the point, guys. All right, Bubble 3. All right, this icon means that this level is part of a larger project and changes are going to be saved across these levels. Excellent. So we've got a little bit of a project to do. Quick review. In this lesson, we're going to be learning a lot about adding text to your project. And before that, let's practice something you've already learned. Do this. Make 2 sprites with different costumes. We can do that. Let's go to the sprites drawer. We're going to make a new sprite and make a new sprite. I don't want them both to be grasshoppers at the same spot though, so let's give each sprite a different location like it asks us. Grasshopper works. Yeah, let's go with bugs here. I like this one. So let's give them different locations. I'm going to click the pen, move my grasshopper. I'm going to put him down here on the sidewalk where he's easier to see. And then I'm going to move my dragonfly up here. There we go. And I'm done there. Let's click run and continue. We're on bubble 4 now. And we're printing text. So to make text appear on the screen, you can use the print block like this done here. All right, do this. Find the print block in the world category. All right, here's the world drawer. There's the print block. And add it to our program. We're going to type a message into the right side of the block to make that text appear above our sprites. All right, so let's put it here. And we'll print, it's a bug. It's a buggy world. All right, there we go. It's a buggy world. And then you might print text for lots of reasons: to make characters talk, to describe a scene, to give instructions for a game. So I guess I kind of described my scene, right? Let's run it. And then it should let us continue to bubble 5. Yep. All right, on bubble 5, we're using text with events. So we're going to be making more text appear on the screen over time. We'll need to use events. So choose any block from the events category. So events. Let's say at 3 seconds, we'll put that here. Connect a new print block under that event. Whoop, it's in the world, right? Yes, I remembered kind of. Run your program and make the second message appear after the first. So let's do at 5 seconds. We'll wait 5 seconds and then we'll print at least they're happy bugs. All right, let's run it. Let's see where that shows up. It's a buggy world. At least they're happy bugs. Okay. Let's see. I want to keep playing. So run your program, make the second appear. Changing text over time makes your project more engaging. Characters can have a conversation and you can tell a story. So let's see. So if I have the grasshopper say something, like grasshopper says, I wish I could fly. And then the Dragonfly says, I wish I could jump like you. There we go. Let's see how that works. Grasshopper, I wish I could fly. And then Dragonfly says, well, I wish I could jump like you. There we go. Continue. Bubble 6, prompts. All right, so it's time to start learning how to use prompts. Prompts make it possible to get words and other text from the user and use them later in your program. The text the user types into the prompt is stored in a variable. So prompt user, what is your name for variable name? So do this. Find the prompt user block in the world category. So here's the world drawer, prompt user. Add it to the program. Okay. In the top part of the block, type in a question you'd like to ask. Change the question to the label you want to use by clicking rename this variable. Rename this variable, and we'll just say, what is even the question we're asking first? Let's put in what our question is here. How many stars are in the sky? In this variable, we'll call it stars. Okay. And let's see, in the top part of the block, question asked, change that to rename the variable, press run, then answer the prompt by typing something in. All right, run. How many stars are in the sky? Oh, you can't even see the whole question. Reset. Let's see. How many stars? How many stars are there? Can you? Yeah, you can see all of that. So run it. I'm gonna say an infinite number. Uh-oh. I didn't type it fast enough. Run, and then it's typed, and then, oh, well, okay then. Alrighty, we did it, I guess. Okay, prompts part 2. To use the information stored in the variable, we first need to wait for the user to answer. You now have a new event block that is triggered as soon as the prompt is answered. So when name answered, okay, so drag the new when answered block into your program. Okay, where is that when answered block? Maybe it's an event. When answered, there we go. When stars answered, okay, the variables are matching, stars, stars. Connect a print block, so world print. Make sure the variable labels match, press run. Print stars. Okay. Press run, then type something into the prompt. Okay. Same answer, an infinite number. There we go. Now that answer shows up there. Cool. I like it. All right. Now let's get a little fancier. You can combine the text stored in the variables with other text. So blank, variable blank. Do this. Look through the new blocks in the world category. Okay. And use these blocks with your print block so that it combines other text with the text from the variable. You might want to change the question you're asking or the label of your variable. This level is challenging. Click the light bulb to the left if you'd like to see an example. Okay, so I guess it needs to be set up like that. So print world, this and this again. Okay. How many stars are there? Let's change the question. Why is this star so happy? And we'll say the star is happy. Stars. Stars happy. Stars. I just want to test this. Do a test run of the star is happy. And so the answer would be framed as like a because it is because the sun is always, oh no, because the sun is always, because it's so shiny. And bright. Answered. Okay. Oh. All right then. So it looks like you need a space in here. And then we'll put a space in front of and. Let's see if that looks better. Run. Because it's so shiny. Answer. Okay, yeah, that works better. Spaces help. Okay. Using text for speech. Let's use the print block to make two characters have a conversation. This program has been started for you. You can just add print blocks to it, or you can make any other changes you like. Okay, so place a print block under each @seconds block. Okay, so I'm going to pull these up here so I can see them better. 2. Oh, wow, there's 4? Okay, so 3 and 4 is way down here. I want to make sure I can see them all. All right, so at 1 second, the duck begins wobbling and a sound plays. Okay, so do this. Place a print block under each @seconds block. Type in your own text to make the animals have a conversation. Okay, so the duck, I think that's a duck. Print. So the duck is going to say, I've never seen a pig so small. And the pig is going to respond by saying, well, I'll hit my growth spurt soon. And then at 3 seconds, the duck is going to respond. Well, how tall are your parents? And and I'm going to have the pig respond here. And he'll say, bigger than you, quack face. There we go. Run. Never seen a pig so small. Well, he'll be grow so soon. Well, how tall are your parents? Bigger than you, quack face. Got it. Run. Continue. All right. Bubble 10. Printing text from prompts. This program has been started for you, but there is a bug. Okay. So read the code carefully and run the program to see what happens. So we'll run it, name this planet Pluto. Welcome to Earthling. Oh, okay. For variable planet, welcome to planet Earthling. Why isn't it working? You printed text, but not at the right time. Oh, okay. So I needed an event. When answered, print. Whoop, let's pull this back over here. When planet is answered, so reset run, Pluto, answer it. Welcome to Pluto, Earthling. There we go. That works. Sweet. All right, bubble 11, joining text with variables. This program has a bug that makes the text get printed incorrectly. Run the program without changing anything to see what's wrong, then try fixing the problem. Greetings, my name is Name the Robot. Okay, read the code below carefully, run the code and see what happens. What's the bug? Okay, so run it. Name the robot, Edward. All right. Greetings, my name is Edward the Robot. Okay, so this is another one where we should have spaces. So like we did earlier, I'm going to add a space at the end of that, and I'm going to add a space at the beginning of the robot. Let's fix it now. So run, my name is Edward. Greetings, my name is Edward the Robot. There we go. Continue. On bubble 12, variable labels. Each time you use a variable, the label like name or age should match. This program has 2 prompts, but the text doesn't get printed because of a mistake with variable labels. Okay, run the program without changing anything to see what's wrong, and then try fixing the problem. Okay, so let's run the code and see what happens. Who is having a birthday? Steve is having a birthday. Hold will they be? Steve will be, how old is Minecraft? Hang on. How old is Minecraft? Okay, so Steve is 12. Reset run. Steve is the name. He's going to be 12. Oh, nothing's showing up on the screen. So what's the bug? And that should say when answer block uses the wrong variable, so the text is never displayed. All right, let's fix this. Let's get you out of the way. When answered. All right, so the variable is name and age. And here, happy birthday name. You're turning age. Oh, when answer is answered, when age is answered, maybe that will work. Let's see. Reset, run. Who's having a birthday? It's Steve. Steve is turning 12. There we go. Happy birthday, Steve. You're turning 12. Perfect. Let's continue. All right. Bubble 13. You can add big text to your program with a little, well, not a little screen, a title screen. You can add big text to your program with a title screen. This block makes the text appear until you replace it or hide it. In this level, you'll use 2 new blocks. Show the title screen, title, subtitle, hide the screen. Do this. Make a program that displays the title screen and then hides it at 3 seconds. Okay. 2 new blocks. Hide title screen. Where are these? Okay. Hide title screen. So we'll pull that out here. We're going to use that. We need an event at 3 seconds. Hide the title screen. So the title is let's see, where the green I don't know, what's a good title, and with a subtitle we'll say the amazing pantaloons, and the subtitle will be and the convenient caper. There we go. Let's run it. The amazing pantaloons and the convenient caper. And then it disappears at 3 seconds. Cool. Alrighty then. Prompting for colors. With prompts, you can actually ask the user for a color, and use it later in your program, this program has been started for you. Read the code below carefully. Add a prompt for the variable color. So when color is answered, so let's prompt user for variable color. What's your favorite color? Run your program and enter the name of a color. All right, there are 140 color names, and there they are. That's helpful. All right, so run. What's your favorite color? Blue. Check it. Oh, I guess we don't get to see the result. Keep playing. Does it not let us see the result? Reset, run. Blue. There it goes. Okay. Continue. Create your own program using text, prompts, and variables. Do this. Add at least one sprite to your project. All right, we can do that. Let's go into costumes, add a new costume. Whoa, oh, badger for sure. And then one prompt. Let's add a background. Let's go to backgrounds. Can I not? I have to draw one? Come on, surely not. New costume. Where are backgrounds? Bruh. Backgrounds. New background. How do I add just a duplicate? No, I don't want to duplicate it. Delete the duplication. How do I just get a background? Maybe it's just not intended for this bubble. Well, bye-bye background. We tried. We wanted to have a background, but no backgrounds for us. Okay. Add at least one sprite to your project. We've done that. We've got a badger. Add at least one prompt. Okay, so prompt. Prompt the user. What does a badger do? Let's see. What does a badger do? Honey badger. Let's see. Rename this variable badger. Badger. Create. And let's see. Let's get user variable prompt somewhere else in your program. So we need an event. When answered, when badger is answered, print honey badger don't care. You might know the meme. The honey badger love you. Right. Yes. Or wait. Even better. Do you love the honey badger? Reset. Run. Yes. I do love the honey badger. Honey badger don't care. Okay, you printed text at the right time, but it didn't print what you typed into the prompt. Okay, so we can, let's see, so print. Let's see, how do we get that to print? Honey badger don't care. We got that to print, but we want the answer to print. Oh, I think I understand. I think I know what to do. So print, and then we'll say the variable. Whoa, let's get rid of you. Print badger. Let's see. Reset, run. Yes, I love the honey badger. Honey badger don't care. There we go. We got it. All right. After you have done that, see if you can knock out these bonus levels. That'll be fun. And that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed this lesson as much as I did. It got a lot of laughs from me, that's for sure. I enjoyed it. I hope you did too.